Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shabina Fatma. Today we are going to discuss about the time since death and the body condition. So after death, first of all the body is warm because the death occurs within few seconds or within few minutes, so the body is warm, only there is cessation of respiration and circulation, and we come to a conclusion that the person is no more. So, in less than 1 hour, the body is warm, and in 3 hours, patchy post-mortem lividity occurs, and in 6 to 8 hours, the lividity fully developed because there is 7 to 8 hours time, so the lividity fully developed in the body, and in 12 hours, rigor mortis occurred in the body, and in 24 to 36 hours body cold means cooling of body occur, algor mortis happen, and green discoloration sometimes occur, and in 46 hours face discoloration, sometimes maggots enter into the body. If the body is in open, then the maggots come, and in 72 hours body discolored, hairs pull out. If you pull the hair, no need of pulling it, just 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 catch it, it will pull out automatically. In 1 week the viscera becomes soft, and in 3 weeks the body is no there is the body is no more body, it converts into complete skeleton. So there are various color changes occur following death in cases of various types of poisoning, like in asphyxia. If a person died due to asphyxia, for example, if a person is working in a closed room and due to some accident the fire broke out in the room and the person die due to carbon monoxide poisoning, then the post-mortem lividity coloration will be different. It is cherry red in color in cases of carbon monoxide poisoning, and in cases of asphyxial death, like the post-mortem coloration is dark purple. In cases of cyanide poisoning, bright pink lividity, as the body is having bright pink post-mortem hypostasis. In cases of potassium chlorate, the chocolate brown coloration, the chocolate brown staining in body. In cases of phosphorus poisoning, dark brown. In cases of opium, grayish black. In cases of hydrogen sulfide, bluish green. Means the post-mortem lividity or liver motis occur after death. It is the early sign of death. So in different types of poisoning cases, different colors occur, like in cases of carbon monoxide, cherry red color; in cases of cyanide, bright pink; in cases of potassium chlorate, chocolate brown; in cases of phosphorus, brown; in cases of opium, black or grayish; in cases of hydrogen cyanide, bluish green; in cases of asphyxial death, dark purple. So these are 1 to 2 centimeter dull red patches which becomes deep and deep after some time. So the color becomes deep after some time. It looks like bruise, but it differs from bruise. The hypostasis, it differs from bruise because bruise occurs in any part of the body, but you will observe the hypostasis in the dependent parts only. And in cases of asphyxia, much intensity means the patches is of deep color, dark color, much intensity, and in cases of anemic person, there is no blood, there is less blood in his body, so the intensity is also less, the post-mortem lividity intensity is also less, and if the blood volume is more, then the lividity is also more. So friends, this is all about the post-mortem changes, or we can say the post-mortem staining in different kinds of poisons. So friends, this is all about today. If you like the video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.